Welcome. If you're wondering how to find your watched videos history on the Facebook app while using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Facebook update, the steps have changed just a little. And today, I'll walk you through every click to quickly check your video activity. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, look up at the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile photo. Click on your profile photo to open up your personal menu. From here, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy and click on it. This is where Facebook stores most of your activity and privacy controls. Within the Settings and Privacy section, you'll find several choices. But what you want to focus on is the activity log. Go ahead and select Activity Log. This area is like your personal Facebook diary, tracking everything you've done on the platform, from likes and comments to posts and, most importantly, your video viewing history. Now that you're in the activity log, look for the option that says Videos You've Watched. Click on this to open a complete list of every video you've watched while logged into your account. It's neatly organized, so you can scroll through and see exactly what you viewed and when. This feature is super helpful if you want to re-watch something, keep track of your interests, or even clear out old videos from your history. If you'd like to remove any videos from the list, simply find the video entry, and you'll see a button next to it that lets you delete it from your history. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily access and manage your watched videos history on Facebook right from the app on your PC. Thanks for tuning in.